Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna go over I'm pretty green when it comes to chain grinders, but I'm learning. And also I picked this chain grinder up on Facebook Marketplace, so it's not the best. It's from Harbor Freight, so it doesn't have the greatest adjustments, but it's a good starter, and I'll probably use it, maybe I can use it in the future for rakers, but it's going to be my kind of learning machine. And then I have this old chain that I'm practicing on to see if I can get anything going. So see if this $12 Harbor Freight, look at the thing on it. Probably needs a new disc soon, huh? But it's pretty nice to me, $12. Sorry, shaking you guys. Has this little box rig, which I don't really need. I guess he had it set up this way or something. Like, it's like almost like it's sat on a post or something. So I'll probably be changing that. The thing that's kind of weird with it is this stopper is wiggly and it's very thin. So you gotta make sure it's in the right spot. That's what I've noticed. But the adjustment works on it. I put a washer right here to give it a little bit more, because it was sitting out even more. So, and then when I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna hold this chain here just to have a little extra support, so it's not moving forward, because this doesn't work. What's all over it works, but it's not fantastic, But yeah, this chain, I'll give you the opportunity to show you how one of these things work. I like these because it's not listed on the chain all the time. I honestly don't even know. I know what this chain came off of, but I don't know the specs on it. So what you do is you get your chain loop. Try to show you. So you have 3/8, 404, 0.32, and 1/4 measurements here. And then I'll try to do it so you can see it. So you find the one that it fits. All right, let's see if I can do it on camera. See, the rivet fits. So this is a 3/8 chain, right? And then, well, how do I know what the bar size is? You go into here. So then you put your driver in there. I already know it's what is it? Yeah, 050. So it just goes right in there, right? So it'll fit in the, it fits in the 043, but then it also fits in that. So it's gonna be 050. Pretty simple. And then they also have, for your bar rail, you can stick this. Let's see, do I have a bar? I don't have a bar on me. Let's see. Oh yeah, I do, right here. As long as it's not really worn out, you can see that 063 is kind of fit. It's kind of fitting in. This is a point of, it's a 050 bar. So see, 058. So I need to address this bar, guys. But that kind of gives you the thing, gives you the info on it. Oregon also has a good video on it too. And then also you can put your files in there to see what size file you're using. I think that's pretty good. And then you switch to the back. It'll give you, I think that's in metric sizes. So that'll be like for UK and well, I think some files. I've seen some files have I think it's millimeters on there, but don't quote me. Let me know if you know. Is it millimeters on there or what? This is I don't use the metric system that much, guys. Actually, I do because I work on my German car. But anyway, let's get to it. What am I talking about for so long? So I'm making sure that's good, and I'll pull down on this. I'm gonna hold it with my left hand and then pull. Let's get you guys set up here. Get you a good view. All right, this tooth is horrible. And then what I figured out, see, that's too much right there. That's probably all right. That's probably all right if I take it slow. And you want to take it slow anyway. A lot of people don't like grinders because they think they burn the teeth. But as long as you go slow, guys, and you're not holding, I mean, you can hold it there. See, look, all right, let's hold it there. See this thing, look at this. Flipped out. See? You gotta watch this thing, guys, for this grinder. All right, let's hold it there for a sec. Not even hot. Is it burning, guys? I don't think so. All right, that's kind of cleaning up the side plate and cleaning up the gullet. So I'm gonna do that first. It's not even really hitting the top plate yet. And the angle I'm using is 30 degrees. And then this top part, it doesn't have an angle. It only has like a stopper. All right. Oh yeah, you're overheating the tooth. Like, it's not even hot, guys. So I'm trying to get deep, but not that deep. All right. That's pretty sharp, guys. Take you out of the tripod. Focus. There we go. It's pretty sharp, guys. I don't know why. Does this light, I feel like this light does not help it stay focused. But yeah, keep in mind with these, they don't have the 10-degree, you know, the tilting aspect. But it'll do the chain, it'll do the chain, guys. And this is semi, it might be, I think it's round. Is that round? It looks like semi chisel, but it's the small like low profile. It's the low profile chain, guys. So that's how she's working. I think it's pretty good for $12. Let me know what you guys think. $12 well spent, or $12 spent on junk? You know, who knows? Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. And if you guys aren't subscribed, you know, maybe subscribe, and then you guys can like it too, because we got more stuff coming. I'm probably gonna get, I want to get a better grinder, I'll tell you that. So that's probably in the works for you guys. And so far I like grinding. So I like sharpening chain. I like square file sharpening chain more than round file. But anyway, that's I hope you guys enjoyed this little, I'm not really gonna edit this video, so just if it's blurry and, you know, the tripod's shaky, just know it's because I didn't edit it. And I just wanted to kind of show you my new little trinket. And hopefully it'll make a little ripping chain here. And this chain is basically trash because it jumped off the, I'll probably have a story on the chain. It's kind of my how I got into the chainsaw stuff. So take care, guys. Talk to you later.